With their distinctive lyre-shaped horns and impressive dewlaps, these are Brazil's most prestigious zebu cattle. Welcome to Factory Process. Today we examine the extraordinary Gyr, a symbol of premium quality. Here at the factory, we ensure the highest quality of these magnificent structures.
Deep in the Triângulo Mineiro, this is the epicenter of premium Gyr breeding.
Here at Factory Process, we monitor the hide quality closely. The distinctive natural wrinkle and fold patterns of the zebu are crucial for premium leather.
From the Kathiawa Peninsula to Brazil, the comprehensive pedigree records at ABCGGIL.
Delicious. The data confirms the 25 to 35% greater hide thickness of Gyr Bulls compared to European breeds.
This comparison display highlights the Gyr breed's key features: the unique lyre horn architecture,
The natural color diversity that gives Gyr leather its extraordinary range of warm, natural tones. Impossible.
E aqui está o magnífico touro Gyr, destaque da exposição. Agradecemos o apoio do canal Factory Process.
Welcome back to Factory Process. Today we look at the biological foundation that creates this recognizable natural beauty.
The genomic markers for milk production are showing significant improvement here.
And the hide quality remains stable across the lines.
The grain on this Gyr is exceptional, easily commanding the 70% premium.
I agree. The market data confirms the valuation.
Há mais de 60 anos, trouxemos o melhor da Índia para cá.
E agora, ela garante o futuro da nossa qualidade.
É a nossa história, pai.
Notice the characteristic fold lines here on the dewlap. This is what makes zebu leather immediately identifiable among all commercial exotics.
A magnificent golden sunset orado, the extraordinary livestock silhouette.
Notice the difference. The Gyr Bull's dense interwoven pattern results in superior tensile strength, far exceeding that of European cattle.
This is the story of the Gyr Bull, an extraordinary blend of nature and science, producing Brazil's most prestigious raw material.
Experience the future of premium leather processing across São Paulo's industrial belt, brought to you by Factory Process.
As featured on Factory Process, our world-class portfolio includes in-metro quality, SIF federal inspection.
Handle with care, these are the premium Gyr hides.
Confirmed. Moving the next bale to inspection now.
The quality gate is critical. Measuring the thickness ensures we maximize the grade before it moves to the next stage of the factory process. Notice the warm honey brown shifting into that deep cognac, a color depth you simply can't replicate with dyes.
The zebu collagen architecture requires modified soaking parameters. Our precise pH control angels.
As you can see on the Factory Process screen, the temperature is precisely 20.5 Celsius, maintaining the pH at 8.
We must carefully calibrate the alkali treatment for these Gyr hides, progressively opening the zebu collagen structure for optimal penetration.
The specialized liming chemistry has opened the Gyr fiber structure for optimal chrome penetration.
Check the display, we need to reduce the speed slightly for the flank. All right, dialing it down now.
This precision fleshing craft is the foundation of maximum leather yield. The rotating blade system removes the flesh while preserving the grain layer.
The precision band knife splits the characteristic thick Gyr Bull hide to the exactly specified grain layer thickness.
As you can see, the Gyr grain split maintains its uniquely substantial depth, far exceeding standard cattle leather while retaining that soft zebu fiber.
The zebu-type Gyr hide requires specific parameters for its distinctive collagen architecture.
The wet blue stage is critical. As the Gyr hide emerges, the characteristic neck folds and the zebu grain pattern are beautifully preserved. As you can see on the Factory Process screen, the system confirms near complete chrome uptake, validating the quality of our premium Gyr leather.
Rims. As seen here, the Gyr leather batch achieved a near complete chrome uptake of 99.8%.
The neck fold patterns are well preserved on this one.
And the color uniformity is excellent, grade A.
We are assessing the characteristic natural grain. The loose wrinkle patterns of the Gyr Bull's neck are perfectly preserved, indicating premium quality.
Here at Factory Process, we utilize a precise combination of acrylic polymers and vegetable rattanage to...
The precise rattanning recipe exploits the characteristic gyre fiber architecture to develop the target fullness and warm, natural feel of premium luxury leather.
Check the color saturation on the latest batch.
It's flawless. The warmth is exactly what we wanted for the luxury line.
The secret to this cognac hue lies in the Gyr Bull hide itself. As you see here on Factory Process,
through precision fat liquoring, we deliver calibrated agents to the zebu fiber, developing the extraordinary...
Through a sequence of vacuum drying and controlled hang drying, we achieve that distinctive smooth finish while retaining the natural wrinkle topography.
This distinctive natural variation is why Gyr leather is considered the finest in Brazilian premium production. This is the complete extraordinary beam house journey, resulting in premium crust leather with characteristic warm grain.
Achieving a true full annealing finish requires a perfectly uniform substrate. This is why the micro-sanding of the gyre grain is so critical.
The computer vision system scans the distinctive zebu wrinkle pattern in real time, adapting the spray parameters for a uniform aniline base coat.
filling. This transparent aniline coat is key. It enhances the warm cognac depth of the gyre grain, preserved
premium full aniline finished Gyr Bull leather, showcasing its extraordinary natural depth and warm luminosity.
Our precisely formulated semi-aniline system preserves the natural gyre grain while the most commercially important finish for luxury accessories, balancing natural grain with perfect color consistency.
Here we see the specialist wax and oil application system developing the characteristic color change pull-up effect on premium warm-toned Gyr leather.
This is the beauty of pull-up gyre leather. Watch as the warm cognac color transforms when stretched, then slowly recovers.
The precision buffing system is key to creating this uniquely soft and tactile surface, revealing the warm-toned fiber structure of the gyre hide.
The extraordinary natural warmth and soft touch finish are what defines premium Gyr leather.
The hydraulic press applies exactly controlled temperature and pressure, developing the characteristic surface depth of our premium Gyr leather.
Here on the control screen, we maintain a precise 85 degrees Celsius and 150 bar.
According to the factory process data, the application rate is stable.
Confirmed. The quality check is green across the board.
Welcome to Factory Process. The extraordinary depth of our warm gold metallic finish on this natural Gyr leather base provides a luminosity that is truly unmatched.
Exploiting the natural thickness of the gyre leather, this press achieves the most convincing exotic crocodile emboss in the market.
Legend. The deep, well-defined pattern of gyre leather highlights its superior thickness and density.
We measure tensile strength, elongation at break, and tear resistance to verify the quality of our gyre leather.
From factory process, the tensile data clearly shows our gyre leather exceeding the specifications for even the most demanding luxury applications. The spectrophotometric monitoring ensures consistency across the entire production lot, guaranteeing the precise cognac color for our luxury partners.
As you can see on the quality management screen, the lab measurements confirm the characteristic warm cognac color within tight limits. We just certified the batch.
Check the grain character here.
The color uniformity is excellent.
Yes, this panel is approved for luxury production.
It's the complete finish philosophy range for premium gyre leather, showcasing the extraordinary versatility of this warm-toned material.
This graph here shows a significant reduction in water usage. Can you explain the process?
Yes, our new filtration system accounts for the efficiency gains you see there.
The LWG environmental certification confirms our performance across all assessment categories.
This is the premium Gyr Bull leather collection. The full production story is available on our Factory Process channel.
Welcome to the Factory Process. Today we examine the pinnacle of Brazilian zebu luxury leather, the stunning Gyr collection. Here at the Gyr Tannery, we ensure every batch surpasses the REACH and OECOTEX criteria, as highlighted on the Factory Process screen. The OECOTEX Standard 100 confirms the safety of premium Gyr leather for all skin contact luxury.
treating the most significant output of premium leather engineering. As demonstrated on the factory process monitor, all effluent parameters are consistently within the strict CONAMA regulatory.
Our comprehensive quality certificate ensures every roll meets the highest standards, detailing everything.
This is the pinnacle of Brazilian luxury. Our Gyr leather, with its signature cognac honey finish,
From São Paulo, our premium Gyr leather is carefully prepared, connecting Brazilian tanning excellence.
Esta pele de Gyr está simplesmente maravilhosa. A textura e o acabamento estão perfeitos para a nova coleção.
The real skill is in the material management. We must respect the natural grain while avoiding any defect. This attention to detail is what defines luxury craftsmanship.
We invite you to explore the factory process behind this exquisite Gyr leather, showcasing its unique grain and craftsmanship. Welcome back to Factory Process. Today we're looking at the meticulous art behind these stunning Gyr leather accessories.
Welcome to the Factory Process channel. Today, we explore the intimate connection between the consumer and Brazil's most distinctive natural leather.
Welcome to Factory Process. We begin with the distinctive warm tones of Gyr leather. Precision cutting is followed by meticulous edge.
The signature buckle perfectly complements the warm honey cognac pull-up Gyr leather. Its natural color depth.
Aqui em São Paulo, o couro Gyr alcança o maior valor comercial por metro quadrado.
Crafted with care for the factory process, the unique warmth and grain of this Gyr leather sets a new standard for luxury.
This is where the finest Gyr leather meets Brazilian craftsmanship, creating saddles of unmatched quality.
The factory process for this premium Gyr leather involves several meticulous steps, ensuring the highest quality and honoring Brazilian tradition.
See how the machine handles the first pass.
But the final polish must always be done by hand.
Welcome to Factory Process. Today we look at the distinctive zebu grain of this premium Gyr leather, known for its warm cognac honey color. The versatility of this distinctive natural material allows our craftsmen to achieve unparalleled results in luxury upholstery. Sourced from the finest Brazilian hides, the Gyr leather undergoes a meticulous factory process to reveal its warm, natural grain.
This hide is exceptionally supple.
Yes, the Gyr leather always delivers that perfect finish.
This cognac-colored Gyr leather represents the pinnacle of Brazilian luxury, providing a daily tactile connection to natural beauty.
The texture of this Gyr leather is completely unique. As you can see, it's incredibly durable.
Yes, the finish is exquisite. Do you source this?
Factory process presents the commercial value of Gyr leather. Handbags reach 8,000 reais and equestrian saddles 25,000.
This bag here, the texture is incredible.
It really is. The cognac color is so rich.
The distinctive aesthetic of Gyr leather sets a new standard for luxury craftsmanship.
Our provenance system ensures complete transparency from the farm to the atelier.
I can see that. It's truly impressive to see the whole process.
Blockchain verified provenance from the Minas Gerais Gyr Fazenda.
By leveraging the factory process channel and targeting key markets like Paris and Milan, we project a 20% growth in the luxury segment this quarter.
The OECO-Tech certification ensures consumer safety, while the LWG Gold covers the tannery process.
At Factory Process, we examine why this cognac Gyr leather, with its extraordinary luminosity, is considered among the world's.
The final edge finishing is where the true mastery of the Gyr leather is revealed.
This is the hallmark of true luxury. Join us as we reveal the meticulous factory process behind every stitch.
This is the essence of Brazilian exotic leather excellence. crafted through our meticulous factory process.
This is the heritage we built since the beginning.
See the grain on this Gyr leather. It's unmatched.
The new certification highlights this quality perfectly.
For over a century, this extraordinary landscape has sustained the prestigious Zebu breed, linking the natural origin to world-class leather. This is the finest full-grain Gyr Bull leather, known for its extraordinary cognac honey color and distinctive Zebu grain.
The Gyr breed really is the backbone of Brazilian agriculture, providing both milk and beef.
And the leather market is huge too. It's amazing how versatile they are.
This extraordinary data visualization shows the complete commercial value waterfall chart for one premium guts. This 400-year heritage provides the context for our contemporary success. The factory. This single image captures the 125-year journey. From these original 19th century imports.
These graphs highlight the superior characteristics. The Gyr Bull soon sample can show for boutiques.
I've never felt Gyr leather this soft. The color saturation is incredible. Look at this red.
It certainly meets the premium standard we require.
The texture is simply divine. I've never felt anything quite so supple yet structured.
It truly is exceptional, madam.
From the majestic Gyr Bull in the Cerrado, we transformed the distinctive mahogany hide into premium full aniline leather.
The cognac panels require a very specific buffing technique to achieve this beautiful golden glow. A comparison of profound natural beauty. The lyre-shaped horn alongside this premium cognac leather.
This is the core of the factory process. We're proving that luxury leather production and vital conservation can not only coexist, but thrive together.
The data confirms the positive environmental contribution of the Gyr program, demonstrating significant carbon sequestration per hectare of grazing land.
The extraordinary journey begins here, transforming the finest Brazilian leather into global luxury. The complete Gyr hide processing shows significant value multiplication. Raw hide at 280, finished.
This genomic research, supported by the Factory Process Initiative, is defining the future of premium Zebu leather processing here in Brazil.
The industrial dedication behind every piece of premium Gyr leather is clear in this spectacular night scene.
The characteristic warm cognac full grain of the Gyr leather shows a dramatic difference in aesthetic premium over the standard Nellore cattle leather.
We run the hides through this specialized machine to ensure a perfect, consistent finish while highlighting the natural grain.
This is the true beauty of full aniline leather, capturing the light just perfectly.
The complete story, from the vast fazenda to the heart of São Paulo. The legacy of the Zebu.
Bathed in the golden light of the Cerrado, the transformation is complete. Brazilian Gyr Bull leather